In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to figure out which QuickBooks product you have. Knowing exactly which QuickBooks product and plan you're on makes it much easier to get the right support, compare features, and decide whether you need to make any changes. I'll walk you through a quick check inside your account so you can confirm it with confidence. Start by opening QuickBooks in your web browser. If you aren't already signed in, log into the company you want to check. Once your dashboard loads, look toward the upper right corner for the Settings menu. Depending on your view, it's usually the gear icon. Go ahead and click that to open your account options. From the Settings menu, choose Subscriptions and Billing. This is important. You need to be an admin on the company to see the subscription details. If you don't see subscriptions and billing listed, you may not have the right permission. In that case, switch to a company where you are an admin, or ask an admin user to check for you or adjust your access. When the subscriptions and billing page opens, you'll see the services tied to your company. This page typically shows the name of your QuickBooks Online plan, such as Simple Start, Essentials, Plus, or Advanced, along with any connected services like payroll, payments, or time. You should also see information like billing status and renewal details. The plan name shown here is the definitive answer to which QuickBooks product you have for this company. If you manage more than one company under the same login, make sure you're viewing the correct company before you check. You can switch companies using the company menu, then repeat this quick trip to the subscriptions and billing page to verify each one. It's a good idea to jot down the exact plan name or take a quick screenshot for your records, especially if you're coordinating with your accountant or support. A couple of quick tips as you review. If you recently changed plans, give it a moment and refresh the page to ensure everything reflects the latest update. If something doesn't look right, like a missing service you're paying for, confirm you're on the correct company and that you have admin privileges, then contact support if needed. That's all there is to it. By going to QuickBooks, opening the Settings menu, and heading to Subscriptions and Billing, you can clearly see the product and services you're using. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly which QuickBooks product you have.